Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will discuss about the various commands available in this section: box, cylinder, sphere, torus, coil, pipe. All these commands are the combination of some other commands: extrude, rectangle, like box. And this command is the combination of extrude and circle. This command is also you can say combination of uh, a semicircle and revolve command. This is also a combination of a circle and revolve command. So one by one I will discuss all these commands available in create section. First go to this box command. I select this box command. After selecting this box command, it will ask us what is the plane. Here I am selecting this plane and creating box. Now it will ask us the height of particular box and press OK. Now the another one is, let's say, cylinder. Cylinder will again ask us about the plane. So here I am playing the plane. Now it will ask about the circle diameter. Let's say I provide here 50. After that it will ask to us what is the height. So here I am providing the height and press OK. So it will create a cylinder. Now sphere. Let's say I want to create a sphere over this particular surface. So it will create a sphere. Let's say from here I am selecting join. It will create such kind of object with the help of box and sphere command. Now I am talking about this torus. This one. So as you can see, it will create a torus. It will ask us what is the inner diameter. Let's say 50. And the torus diameter, let's say 20. It will create such kind of object. Now the next one is coil. Again I am selecting this one and creating a coil, let's say 10 mm. Okay. From here you can provide the diameter 10 mm, revolution 3, height 30 mm, angle you can also provide. From here you can provide the circular cross section. I already by default it select the circular cross section. From here you can also select a square, triangle or triangular interval. And section size is this particular section size is 2.50 mm. You can change it from here, let's say 5 mm. So you can see that the diameter of this particular coil is changed from 2.5 to 5. And this is for new body card. Now we can press OK. So as we can press OK, this command will create a coil. Last is the pipe command. It is a combination of, we can see here, it is a combination of sweep command and a circle. As I select this pipe, it will ask us what is the path. Let's say I'm telling here this is our path. As I choose here this path, so it will create a cylinder. Okay, let's first I create a path. Let's go to create a sketch. Let's say I'm creating here a path. Now Let's say again I am selecting this pipe, select this path, and as you can see it will create pipe like this, and as I press OK, it will create a pipe. From here you can change the cross section of this particular pipe. It may be circular, it may be square, it may be triangle, and this distance is the complete length of this particular pipe. It is 1. If I change here from 1 to 0.75, so it will create a pipe up to a 0.75 of this particular length. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have used all the 5 commands available in this section. All these are commands are the combination of the main commands like extrude, revolve, sweep. So thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.